Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to post a video on Instagram. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to your Instagram account application in your mobile phone. Click the Instagram. So okay guys, we here in Instagram account, and you only have to do is click the positive sign below. Okay guys, we have two different way to upload a video on Instagram. So okay guys, the first one is the click the video so below, and you only have to do is take a video you want to upload on Instagram, and you only have to do is press the circle, hold, and take a video, and after you take a video, release it and click next. So okay guys, after that you change the filter. So okay, you can select a filter. So I choose a normal filter. So okay guys, after that click the cover. So okay guys, you can select a cover you want to show in your video. So okay, after that click next. Okay guys, we have here and the video captions. Okay, you can add a video caption, and you can add the tag, people, or add location. Also you can post to Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Okay guys, after that click share, the upper right side on the screen. So okay guys, your video are uploading on Instagram. Okay guys, you can wait to upload the video. Okay guys, your video are finishing up, and okay guys, your video are uploaded to Instagram application. Okay guys, this is the one way to upload a video on Instagram. Okay guys, another one way to upload a video on Instagram is from your file manager or from your mobile phone. So okay guys, you only have to do is click the gallery below on the left side. Okay, now you can select a video you want to upload on Instagram. Okay guys, you only have to do is find the video you want to upload on Instagram. Okay guys, scroll down and you can find the video you want to upload on Instagram. Okay guys, I choose this one video to upload to my Instagram. So okay, click the video you want to upload on Instagram. So okay guys, after that click the circle on the left side down on the video you want to upload to keep your video on screen. So okay, after that you only have to do is click the next on the upper right side on your screen. Click next. So okay guys, now you can change the video from filter. So okay, you can select this one. Okay, scroll to the left to find the filter you want to from your video. So okay guys, I choose the normal filter of my video. So okay, another one is the trim. Okay, you can cut your video if you want. So okay, another one is the cover. So okay, you can add the cover in your video. So okay, you can choose a cover on your video, for example this one. So okay, after that you only have to do is click the next on the upper right side on your screen. So okay, click next. So okay guys, we have here in the menu with additional tag and location, so and also post to Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr. So okay, guys, you can add a caption right here on your video. So okay, you can write a caption. Okay guys, after that, all you have to do is click the share on the upper right side on your screen. So okay guys, you can see the uploading your video on this portion. So okay, you can wait, the upload are finished. Okay. Okay guys, your video are now upload on Instagram. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.